Welcome back to School's Challenge Quiz. You are watching the 10th match here in round 2. Scores are Manning School still on 31 points, St. Mary High on 20 points. You'll have noticed St. Mary lost a point during the break. The answer to the question, what are the smaller vessels in which arteries are divided after entering body organs called arteriole, was given. They are arterioles, and so they were not accepted. As we enter the buzzer challenge, teams must press the buzzer and wait to be identified, please, before giving their answer. 2 points will be added for correct answers, but teams will lose 2 points if the answer is incorrect. So teams, time to gear up with your quick fingers, quick thinking, and fast answers, which could put you one step closer to winning the championship. Let's see 4 minutes on the clock, please. With that, we begin with Bible knowledge. What was the name of the mother who hid her young baby boy, St. Mary High School?
Jochebed.
That's correct. Biology. The condition known as atelectasis affects which organ of the body? The lungs. English language. Which 8-letter word starting with S means a society for female students in a university? Manning's School.
Sorority.
That's right. Local affairs of Visual 1 teams. Look on the screen. Identify this person, please. St. Mary High School.
Norman.
Correct. Member of Parliament. Chemistry. The element chromium has variable valency. What are the values of these valencies or valencies? Manning School on the bell.
4 and 6.
I have +2 or +3 or +6 judges. Music and Audio 1 teams, listen to the clip. Identify the singer, please. St. Mary High.
German Edwards. German Edwards.
That's right. Hallelujah. General knowledge. Which country's flag consists of a blue cross outlined in white on a red? St. Mary High School.
Scotland.
Incorrect. Norway. Spanish. Which animal is El Caballo? Manning School.
The horse.
Correct. Geography. What is the name for cold ocean surface current which flows south along the western Iberian Peninsula and the northwest coast of the African continent towards the equator? That's the Canary Current. Theatre and Cinema of Visual 1 teams. Look at the screen. Identify this person, please. St. Mary High School.
Jordan Abrams.
Incorrect. Sierra Capri. Information Technology. What is the name for a data type that represents only true or false, on or off? St. Mary High.
Boolean expression.
True or false? Boolean expression.
Boolean expression.
That's correct. History. What is a state that is controlled and protected by another, generally called? That's a protectorate. Mathematics. A club spends its income on drinks, entertainment, and food in the ratio 2 to 3 to 5. If a pie chart is made to represent these data, what would be the angle representing drinks? Manning School.
72 degrees.
Correct. Physics. When two objects interact, they exert an equal and opposite force on each other. Manning School.
Third law. Newton's third law.
Correct. Sport of Visual 1 teams. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please. Pro golfer Rory McIlroy. Jamaican heritage complete. The Jamaican proverb. Quati bred Phil. St. Mary High School. Incorrect. Phil Monkey Belly. French. Translate the sentence to English. Qu'est-ce que ça veut dire? What does that mean? Literature. Which Jamaican wrote the novel Voices Under the Window? St. Mary High School.
John Leonard.
Correct. Art. What is the term used for the arrangement of lines, colors, and form? Composition. Bible knowledge. Which New Testament character was described as full of grace and power and doing great wonders and signs among the people? Stephen. Biology. What is another name for the breakdown of amino acids? Manning School.
Deamination.
That's right. English language. Which 9-letter adjective starting with S means occurring or done in brief, irregular bursts? St. Mary High.
Spontaneous.
Incorrect. Spasmodic. Local affairs. On what specific date did the styrofoam ban take effect? Manning School.
January 1, 2020.
That's
January 1, 2020.
correct. Chemistry. Arrange and We won't have time for that one, as that is the end of the final challenge and indeed the end of the match. Scores are Manning School on 41 points, St. Mary High on 22 points. We will double check those scores and return with the final results right after these messages.